Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your home credit Ujjwal card. First, to begin your journey, you need to activate your card. Simply visit one of Home Credit's many partner shops, which number over 53,000 across various locations. There, you can apply for the Ujjwal card and complete the necessary Know Your Customer documentation for instant approval. Once approved, your credit limit will be available within the Home Credit mobile application. Now that your Ujjwal card is active, let's explore how to make purchases. This card offers immense flexibility, allowing you to shop both online and offline. You can buy various products, from the latest smartphones to essential home appliances, at any of Home Credit's extensive network of over 53,000 partner establishments. Simply use your approved credit limit directly through the Home Credit app to complete your transactions seamlessly. Effectively managing your Ujjwal card account is straightforward. You can easily track your available credit limit and review your transaction history anytime through the Home Credit mobile application. Your detailed monthly bill statement will be conveniently sent to your registered email address. Should you ever face an unexpected financial situation, the card offers a payment holiday option, allowing you to postpone an EMI twice during your loan tenure, after paying 2 initial EMIs. Repaying your Ujjwal card balance is designed to be easy and convenient, with flexible equated monthly installment options. Beyond simple purchases, the card provides a pre-approved credit limit of up to 75,000 rupees, offering significant purchasing power. You also gain access to exclusive benefits like FinShield, a package that includes life insurance of 100,000 rupees and personal accident coverage up to 50,000 rupees, ensuring added security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.